G'day guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to make something look like it's levitating. Something like this to this. Now this is how we did the banana levitating. I took a video. First thing I did, I took a video of me holding it in one hand, and then I took the same video, continue, let go there and hold it with the other one. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do a screen dump of that. So in other words, just take a photo of your screen, doing that with that one, and then I go to the next one and I do another screen dump, another picture of the screen. Okay, so I get rid of that. Now I've got them both here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put them straight into Photoshop. And I've got two pictures up. There's one and there's the other one. These ones we don't need to see, they're just other photos. So what we're going to do, select all, copy, go to the other one, edit, paste. Alright, now if I go up to layers, and on the right hand side here, on the left hand side of the layer panel, you've got little eyes. If I click that one, it comes on. Click it back on. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're just going to take the opacity and turn it down a bit so it's transparent. So you can see both of them now. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to eliminate one of the hands on either side, either picture. Alright. First thing we're going to do is match up the banana, but we can do that later on, that's fine. So what we're going to do, we'll put the opacity back up again. Alright, now we're just going to use the eraser tool, nice decent size to the eraser tool, and we're just going to start to erase the hand on that one, and part of the banana as well. That's okay, it's no problems. Make sure you remove this shadow as well from the hand, because otherwise you get that sitting there and it won't match up properly. Alright, you got a whole lot there. Right. Okay, now we can go to the move tool, and just by using the arrow buttons down, we can move it down, move it up, whichever we want to put it. Put it just there, that looks good. Okay, now we're going to see how the shadow is not working out properly. I'm going to get the eraser tool, select the top one, and I'm just going to round it off so that it all matches up. Now if we keep on going, we'll go into the other picture. We don't want to do that. Alright, so it looks pretty good at this stage. I'm just going to take that one back. Unfortunately, this one had a bit of a, I must have used the eraser tool in the background as well. So it's just little bits and pieces that we just have to fix up there. So there it is. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to flatten. So we go to layer, flatten image. Now, as you can see up in the layers here, it's one image now. And the banana looks like it's a banana, it doesn't look like it's been cut and paste, copied and paste. This section here is from the other photo, it's been added on. You can see a bit of a difference in the colour there, but not really that much. Alright, we're going to fix up that back part later on. Now, here, I'm going to use what they call the spot cleaner brush. See how the shadow here stops? Just going to blend it in like that. That's all. Not too much. Just going to blend it in with the other shadows. That way, it looks pretty much uniform. It's all together. It's supposed to be it. So that looks pretty good at this stage. It looks like basically we've got different light sources and it's giving us different shadows. That gives us a bit more of a realistic approach to it. So what we can do for the background here, we just go to one of the other photos, and we're just going to use a selection tool here. Any selection tool. Use the marquee tool, for instance. I'm just going to go around here, careful not to get my hand, and copy all that. I'm just going to go edit, copy, go back to this one, edit, paste. Now we're just going to match it up to where I was. That's pretty much it. Now as you can see, it's a little bit blurry and it's not the right mode. So I'm just going to take the brightness up a bit, contrast down a bit. Just going to fiddle around with this a little bit here so we get it right. What I might even do, I might even just erase that black area like that, just to get it to match. There's nothing right. Right. Use the arrow key because we've got the selection tool there. And just come down. There we go. Perfect. So there you go, guys. That's the idea of the levitation of an object.